Hello everyone, welcome to Brainwaves, where we explore the marvels of science. In today's episode, we will be discussing the strongest metals on Earth. Metals are some of the strongest materials known to man. They are critical in many industries, including construction, transportation, and manufacturing. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of metals and discover the top 5 strongest metals on Earth. Tungsten, also known as wolfram, is a chemical element with the symbol W and atomic number 74. It was discovered in 1781 by the Swedish chemist Carl Wilhelm Scheele. Tungsten is a dense, hard, and silver-white metal that belongs to the transition metals in the periodic table. It has the highest melting point and boiling point of all the elements, and it's also one of the densest metals known to man. It's named after the Swedish words, tungsten, which mean heavy stone due to its high density. Its chemical symbol W comes from the German word, wolfram, which means wolf's foam, or spume, because of its tendency to form small, dense spots during ore refining that look like the foam or spume of a wolf. Tungsten is the strongest metal on Earth for several reasons. Firstly, it has the highest tensile strength of any metal. Tensile strength is the ability of a material to resist breaking or deforming under tension. Secondly, it has the highest melting point of all metals, at around 3,422 degrees Celsius, which means it can withstand incredibly high temperatures without melting. Lastly, tungsten is also incredibly dense, with a density of 19.3 grams per cc, making it one of the densest metals. All these properties combine to make tungsten the ideal material for high-stress applications, such as in the construction of rockets and aircraft engines, where strength, durability, and resistance to high temperatures are critical. Tungsten is an incredibly versatile metal and is used in many different industries due to its unique properties. It's commonly used in the aerospace industry, where it's used as a material for rocket engines and other high-temperature applications. It's also used in the military industry for armor-piercing ammunition, and in the medical industry for radiation shielding. Tungsten is widely used in the electronics industry for making electric contacts, circuit boards, and light bulb filaments. It's also a critical component in various heating devices, such as furnaces, welding electrodes, and incandescent lamps. Lastly, it's used in the jewelry industry, where it's valued for its scratch-resistant properties and attractive color. Tungsten carbide is used to make wedding bands and other jewelry items, as it's extremely durable and resistant to scratching. Steel is a versatile alloy that is made by mixing iron with carbon and other elements in specific proportions. It was first produced around 4,000 years ago, and since then, it has become one of the most widely used materials in the world. Steel is durable, relatively cheap, and easy to produce, making it ideal for various applications. The properties of steel can be altered by varying the amount of carbon and other elements present in it. Low-carbon steel, for instance, is soft and malleable, while high-carbon steel is incredibly strong and hard. Steel is divided into 4 categories based on its carbon content: low, medium, high, and ultra-high carbon steel. The alloy has other added elements such as silicon, manganese, and chromium to give it specific properties and characteristics, which are important for a range of industries. Steel is known for its incredible strength and durability. Its strength comes from its unique properties. Firstly, steel has a high tensile strength, meaning it can withstand high stresses and resist breaking or deforming under tension. Secondly, it has a high compressive strength, making it resistant to crushing and impact. Thirdly, steel's hardness makes it resistant to wear and abrasion. Lastly, steel has excellent ductility and malleability, allowing it to be easily shaped into various forms. All these properties make steel an ideal material for many applications, including construction, transportation, shipbuilding, and manufacturing. Steel is one of the most important materials in various industries, and its applications are incredibly diverse. In construction, steel is used for building structures such as high-rise buildings, bridges, and stadiums. It's also widely used in transportation for making cars, trains, ships, and aircraft. In the energy industry, Steel is used for making pipelines, wind turbines, and offshore oil platforms. In the manufacturing industry, steel is a vital material used for making machinery, tools, and equipment. Steel is also used in the food industry for making food processing equipment and packaging materials. Lastly, the technology industry uses steel in various ways, such as in smartphones, computers, and other electronic devices. Titanium is a chemical element with the symbol T and atomic number 22. It's a lustrous, silver-colored metal that is highly resistant to corrosion and has a low density. It was discovered in 1791 by the British chemist William Gregor and was named after the Titans of Greek mythology. Titanium is incredibly strong for its weight, making it an ideal material for use in applications where lightweight and durability are critical. It has a high melting point of around 1,660 degrees Celsius and is also highly resistant to heat and cold. Titanium is widely used in various industries due to its unique properties and characteristics. Titanium is one of the strongest metals on Earth due to its unique properties. Firstly, it has a high strength-to-weight ratio, which means it's incredibly strong for its weight, making it an ideal material for use in aerospace and other applications where weight is critical. Secondly, titanium is highly resistant to corrosion, even in extremely harsh environments such as seawater or acidic environments. Thirdly, it's biocompatible, meaning it's non-toxic and doesn't cause adverse reactions when used in the body. This makes it a critical material for use in medical implants, such as artificial joints, dental implants, and pacemakers. Lastly, titanium has a high melting point and is highly resistant to temperature changes, making it useful in applications that involve high temperatures or thermal stress. Titanium is an incredibly versatile metal and has a diverse range of applications across various industries. In aerospace, titanium is used for making aircraft structures, engine components, and landing gear. In the medical industry, titanium is used for making implants, such as artificial joints, dental implants, and pacemakers. It's also used in the marine industry for making boat hulls, propellers, and other parts that need to withstand seawater corrosion. Titanium is widely used in the chemical industry for making reaction vessels and heat exchangers due to its high resistance to corrosion. Lastly, titanium is used in the sports industry for making high-performance sporting equipment, such as bicycle frames, golf clubs, and tennis rackets, as it's lightweight and durable. Chromium is a chemical element with the symbol Cr and atomic number 24. It's a hard and bluish-white metal that is highly resistant to corrosion. Chromium was discovered in 1797 by the French chemist Nicolas Louis Vauquelin and was named after the Greek word chroma, which means color, due to the various colors of its compounds. Chromium is widely used in many industries due to its unique properties, including its resistance to corrosion, hardness, and ability to be polished to a high shine. It also has useful magnetic properties. Chromium is known for its strength and durability, and its properties make it a valuable material across a variety of industries. Firstly, chromium has a very high melting point of around 1,890 degrees Celsius, which makes it highly resistant to heat and able to withstand extreme temperatures. Secondly, it's incredibly hard and resistant to wear, making it useful for coating other metals and materials to improve their durability. Chromium's hardness also makes it useful for making tools and equipment that need to be durable and long-lasting. Lastly, chromium is highly resistant to corrosion, which makes it useful for making parts and equipment that are in contact with water, chemicals, and other corrosive materials. Chromium finds widespread use in various industries for its unique properties. In the automotive industry, chromium is used for plating on car parts to improve their durability, resistance to rust and wear, and aesthetic appeal. It's also used in the aerospace and defense industries for making military aircraft parts and rockets. In the construction industry, chromium is used for metal cladding and roofing because it's highly corrosion resistant and doesn't tarnish. Chromium is also used in the manufacturing of stainless steel to enhance its strength and resistance to corrosion. Lastly, chromium has medical applications in the form of chromium supplements for diabetes management and the use of its compounds as a part of medicines for treating certain illnesses. Iron is a chemical element with the symbol Fe and atomic number 26. It's a silvery white, lustrous metal that is abundant in the Earth's crust. Iron has been used by humans for thousands of years and one of the longest known metals. Iron is known for its strength and durability, and is widely used for various applications due to its unique properties. Pure iron is relatively soft, but it can be hardened and strengthened by adding small amounts of carbon and other elements to it, thus giving birth to several grades of steels. Iron and its alloys are widely used in various industries, including construction, transportation, and manufacturing. Iron has a range of properties that make it one of the strongest metals on Earth. Firstly, it's very hard and can be strengthened further by alloying it with other elements, such as carbon, chromium, and nickel. Secondly, iron is highly ductile and malleable, meaning it can be easily formed into various shapes without losing its strength. Thirdly, iron has a high tensile strength, which means it can withstand high stresses and resist breaking or deforming under tension. Finally, iron is highly resistant to heat and corrosion, which makes it useful for applications in high-temperature environments and where corrosion resistance is critical. Iron has a wide range of applications across various industries due to its strength and durability. In the construction industry, iron is used for building structures such as bridges, buildings, and stadiums. It's also widely used in transportation for making cars, trains, ships, and aircraft. The manufacturing industry relies heavily on iron for making machinery, tools, and equipment. In the energy industry, iron is used for making wind turbines, oil and gas pipelines. Iron is also used in the food industry for making cooking equipment and packaging materials. Finally, iron is used in the medical industry for the production of iron supplements, which is critical for maintaining healthy blood. And that's a wrap on the strongest metals on Earth. We hope you enjoyed learning about the top 5 metals that possess incredible strength and durability. Metals have revolutionized the way we build and manufacture things, and their importance cannot be overstated. From tungsten to steel, to titanium, chromium, and iron, these metals have proven their worth in various industries and applications. Thank you for tuning in to Brainwaves, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos.